Today, I'm on Cheddon Mews, a small collection of homes set just off of Cheddon Road, conveniently located within walking distance to both the train station and Taunton Town Centre. It's this well-presented, extended home, complete with generous room proportions throughout, and a low-maintenance private rear garden. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you're interested in arranging a viewing on this lovely home, or maybe a valuation on your own property, then please do get in touch.